Omwanya gurukuza kurundandwamo amajuta gategegine kuruga omu birombe by'amajuta ebiri muri district ya Buliisa na Nwoya aha bwa Tilenga purogyekiti batandikire okwombeka. Amajuta gategegine aga ga Nwoya nigaza kutambuzibwa kurabira omu nshekye eziragasya omu eirundaniro rimwe n'agari omuri Buliisa.
Well, most of the infrastructure was concentrated in the industrial area. The reason for that is that this is an environmentally sensitive area. We don't want to distribute too many things in different places. So most of the infrastructure is concentrated here. The other infrastructure that is not here are the drilling pads, which are on the different oil fields.
Ebigambo rw'obumukuru w'ekitongore ekirikujunanizibwa n'ebyamajuta omu Uganda ekya Petroleum Authority Ernest Rubondo obwabire narambuza minisita omuhwezi ow'ebyobugaiga bw'omwitaka Peter Lokelisi emirimo erikukorwa omuri Tilenga project.
So even this one, when the oil comes, it is now pumped to Kabale. The other goes up to Tanga in Tanzania for export. The other one goes to Nwambura and Kampala. It is also to supply the town and other parts of Uganda.
Be ready for oil to be produced and exported. Because when the oil is produced, it goes into the central processing facility. So towards the end of 2024, beginning of 2025, we expect the central processing facility to be ready. The people are here working, they are increasing their capacity.
This is where we have been pretending from the time, and it has gone very fast. By putting this thing now, in 2024, according to what they tell me, this construction will have got finished.
Nibagira ngu eki nikimanyisa ngu Uganda eriyo neyerra hiho n'okwiha amajuta gayo okuzimu ekintu ekirikuza kureetera ihanga sente.
They're using 3 rigs, 2 of them are already working. It's a lot of wells, so they have to start drilling them early. And that is already ongoing. When the 3rd rig starts drilling later in the year, then we should be able to be drilling at the maximum rate we want.
Let us all jubilate that this project is a success. We get the money to develop the country, other parts of the country. It's going to the budget of Uganda.
Uganda neteekateekwa kutandika kushoza amajuta gategegine omu mwaka gw'2025. Amakuru agagashakwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.